cat named Whisker used to roam around all day and search for food. On the other hand, a dog named Bruno lived with its owner. One day, when it was raining heavily in the city, the cat took shelter under a table. Seeing this, the dog came to the cat with its owner and rescued it, taking it home. How did you like the cartoon video? The video you just saw on the screen was entirely created using AI. And today, I will teach you how to create such cartoon videos using AI. So without any delay, let's get started. We're going to create a cartoon video in just 5 simple steps. First, we'll use ChatGPT to generate the script. Next, we'll create images for the story. After that, we'll transform those images into a video. Then, we'll generate text to audio for the narration. And finally, we'll edit the video footage to bring everything together. First, let's open any browser on your computer and visit chat.com or simply search for ChatGPT. Once you're there, type, "Write a short story about a dog and cat friendship," and ChatGPT will generate a beautiful story for us. Now for this story, we need to generate images, and for that, I'm using a prompt. You will find each prompt link and website link in the video description box. Anyway, after providing the prompt, ChatGPT has written many image generation prompts for generating images, and we need to use these to generate the images. Now I will visit the Leonardo AI website. Then I will click on the Get Started button. After that, I will log into the Leonardo website. I am logging in using my Google account. Once logged in, I need to set a username for my account on the Leonardo website. Then I have to click on Start Generating. Now I copied the first image generation code from ChatGPT and pasted it into Leonardo. Then, from the side menu, I selected the image ratio as 16:9 and set the number of images to 4 before clicking the Generate button. Each time, Leonardo will deduct 39 credits for generating 4 images, and every account gets 150 free credits. Awesome! Leonardo has generated some beautiful images for me. Now I'm downloading one of the 4 images. Similarly, I am using some of the image generation prompts provided by ChatGPT to generate more images. Since generating 4 images each time costs 39 credits, we won't be able to generate all the images with just 150 free credits. For this, we will need a few more accounts. So you can log out of your current account, log into a new one, and generate the remaining images. Now, let's visit Pixverse.ai, and after logging in, we will get 90 free credits. Once logged in, I am uploading an image generated from Leonardo. I have uploaded an image of a cat. I want the cat to walk forward, so I wrote the prompt, "Cat is walking around this city." Then, I clicked on the Create button. Each video creation requires 30 credits. Wow! Pixverse has beautifully transformed my image into a video, which is truly mesmerizing. Now, in the same way, I will convert the rest of the images into videos. Since Pixverse provides 90 free credits per account, we can generate up to 3 videos per account. Therefore, to convert more images, we will need a few additional accounts. Our 3 steps are complete. Now, to generate a voice, we need to visit ttsopanai.com. Like other websites, we will log in here using Google. I have already written a shortened version of my story, which I will convert into audio. So I'm pasting the text here. Then, from the sidebar, I am selecting a voice, slightly reducing the speed, and clicking on Create Speech. You can adjust the speed as needed. Finally, I am downloading the generated voice. Now, I am opening the CapCut video editing software and creating a new project. Then, I am importing all the video footage created from Pixverse. After that, I am arranging and adding the videos one by one on the timeline. Next, I am importing the audio file downloaded from TTS OpenAI. Once the import is complete, I sync it with the video in the same way. Finally, I trim and adjust the video clips according to the voice to ensure they align perfectly. Now, I will apply the movie effect in CapCut to my video, which will crop out the extra parts at the top and bottom of the video. As a result, the Pixverse watermark will also be removed, making the video look more visually appealing. To give the video a more professional look, I will also add subtitles. This can be done easily using CapCut's auto caption feature. By selecting the language and clicking the Generate button, the captions will be created automatically. Once generated, let's enhance the subtitle design a bit. Changing the text color and design will make it look even better. And then export the video. Exporting a video from CapCut is very easy. Simply click on the Export button at the top. You can choose to export the video in 1080p or 4K resolution if you prefer. CapCut will quickly export the video and automatically save it to your computer. Amazing! We have successfully created our cartoon video. Now, by making similar videos, you can easily earn money from YouTube. If you don't have a YouTube channel yet, create one. And if you already have one, you can upload the video there. Make sure to write a proper title, description, and tags to get better results. I have also published my cartoon video on YouTube. Let's see how it performs. Thank you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to TutorBro.